Welcome back, YouTube, to this late night edition of the Shoe Bully. Man, today I'm on my way to the Nike outlet. We're gonna see what we can find, and we're gonna see if I can spin this whole wide.
I said come here, bitch, and drink this water. You can drink that shit this way, or you can drink that shit that way.
So I made it in just the nick of time. I got less than an hour before they close. Let's go in here and see what we can find.
Water in the crevice of your pussy.
Took them to the cleaners.
I'm gonna give it to you that way. Get you that Aquafina bottle, or that Poland Spring bottle, or that motherfucking Arrowhead. And that's all we fuck with. Don't mind if I get this water bottle popping on your pussy, bitch. You ever have pineapples in some water, bitch? I ain't never had that shit, cause I'm allergic to pineapple. But this nigga Marco, he ain't allergic to no goddamn pineapple. This nigga is a pineapple god. Go put pineapple in your water.
Alright, y'all, so I just lucked out. Got hella pairs, more than I was expecting to get. So today was a good day. I was really happy to find those in there, because actually 2 days ago I called up there and the lady told me that they were sold out. I questioned them about them at the register, and she said that they actually did sell out, but they came back in from another warehouse. So, you know your boy, the Shoe Bully, cleaned them out. As you can see, they're all marked B grade. But honestly, they look great to me. I'm gonna have a review coming soon for y'all. Stay tuned, baby, stay tuned. Oh God, these are so clean. How they gonna B grade this? I don't get it. Whew. All right, y'all, I made it back home with the loot. Pretty successful outlet trip, if you ask me. And you know, they said they were B grades, but I don't see it. It looked great to me. And it was awesome because I had a 30% off coupon. So got these for like $120 a piece. Can't beat it. Can't beat it. Shoe Bully out.